Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Dropbox account to ClickUp. So to do that, simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to the settings. And in the left hand side, click in the app center. So once you're here, you may see Dropbox under the featured apps. If you do, you can click in it. If not, you can click on all apps and you can either scroll and you will find them or just simply search for Dropbox in the list here. And once you find it, you can click in it, you can open it, right? Now, once you're here, you will see it under the section here where it says that you can create a personal connection, right? So you can simply click and connect, and this is going to give you a pop-up where you can sign into your current Dropbox account, right? So as you can see, it says that I need to continue and so forth. So if you have access to Dropbox, then you can just simply follow the steps to continue or to sign into your account, and then it will just allow you to link your Dropbox, right? So that's pretty much all that you have to do. As you can see, you're going to sync the connection, and that's going to allow you to connect your Dropbox to your account. And then from there, you can start, finding files. You can add in, removing files, to and from Dropbox and so forth, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead and connect Dropbox to your ClickUp account, guys. Very easy and very simple.